you mean?
Yeah, I thought I had lost the rings, but panic averted, huh?
How long will I love you? Long as stars are above you. And longer if I can. How long will I need you? As long as the seasons need to. And longer if I may.
Okay, let's get you married.
How long will I love you?
You look gorgeous.
As long as stars are above you.
No, you can't. Because he's sleeping with her. And he married me. Louis!
She's lying. I don't know what she's...
I'm not. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, but I couldn't let him get away with it.
You married her?
Who? No, of course I didn't.
Louis, no. No more lies.
My sister.
I wanted to tell you, but I was scared. And then today with him getting married, I just thought I had to put a stop to it. A stop to anyone else getting hurt.
I can't believe this.
Well, come on! And you already married. What about her?
I'm sorry.
Oh, this can't be that way.
I'm gonna kill him! Steve! Leave him! Leave him!
Auntie Martini, you've been sleeping with her. Let's go.
I'm gonna love you and stand by you forever. Flaws and all, do you hear me?
You don't rely on me. This is a decision you should have made.
Louis, no. No more lies.
I asked him if he was having an affair. And he swore that he wasn't. You buying him flowers.
She didn't. He told me he was gonna leave you. I thought there was a chance for us.
You looked me in the eye and barefaced lied about that stranger on the plane.
I know.
I can't believe this.
Louis, my husband.
I'm sorry, whose husband? How long, Simone?
I'm not sure.
How long, Simone?
A few months, on and off.
And you got married to him.
I'm sorry.
Sorry!
The pair of you need to leave now. You've got some guts. I'll give you that. Infidelity with your ex-wife, your sister-in-law, your son's ex-girlfriend. Well, at least you're keeping it in the family.
Listen, sir, please, it's complicated.
You're not kidding, are you?
I didn't want to hurt anyone.
No, what you mean is you didn't mean to get caught.
I went to your mum. I told her that I would leave Leela.
I know that. And guess what Muggins over here did? I persuaded her to stop the wedding. Then Martine came along and the truth about who you really are came tumbling out. You're a selfish, manipulative,
Zach, stop.
controlling man who does whatever he wants and to hell with anybody who gets in your way.
You're wrong. You are. Listen to me. This all got confused, messy. But I swear to you, I didn't act out of anything but love.
Love?
You think I wanted this? I didn't. Please, son, believe me when I tell you, I've tried to do the right thing time and time again.
I don't believe you. And don't you ever call me son again.
Oh, she's gonna need something stronger than that, love. Leave it with me.
Mom, I don't even know what to say. How could he do that to you? To Daniel? You and them two witches, they're gonna get what's coming to him. And Louis, big time. Because Karma, it's a real...
Hey! I thought you didn't know what to say.
She's only trying to help.
I'll tell you what you can do to help. Go and get changed and take Daniel for a walk. He's in his playpen now, but he'll soon get bored. Come on, I'll look after you, Mum. That's it, come on. There's nothing I can say that's going to bring any comfort now. I know that. But I will tell you this. That man is not deserving of you. Anyone who can behave like that is a terrible human being. And no way fit to be a father.
Zach?
Lisa's still out looking for him. Look, do what you have to do. Slap me, hate me, but please hear me. When I was abandoned, left a single mother, I was a mess, total mess. There's low, there's rock bottom, and then there was me.
My heart bleeds.
I'd all but given up when Louis walked back into my life. He was on a plane to Hong Kong. I couldn't believe it was him. After all these years, it just felt different. Serendipitous.
Serendipitous?
I need you to understand. Being with Louis made me feel whole again. Like I was someone worth loving.
Of all the millions of men on this earth to find self-worth with, you chose Louis. My Louis. The man I built a life with, raised children with. Did you do it to hurt me?
Of course not.
Then why marry him?